Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. If you're running an online store and want to boost your sales, listing Amazon products on Shopify store can be a game changer. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to import your Amazon products to Shopify. So let's get started. First, let's take a moment to talk about why you should list Amazon products on Shopify store. The key benefit is expanding your reach. While Amazon is a huge marketplace, listing those same products that you have on that account onto your Shopify account would give you full control over branding, pricing, and also customer experience. Plus, Shopify makes managing orders super easy, and even the product sourcing from Amazon is very simple as well. Before we begin, we need to make sure that we have both a Shopify store and an Amazon seller account. Afterwards, that we can proceed to the main step. This would be integrating those two platforms. The way to do this is found on the Shopify website editor portal. Once you're in your Shopify account, you can go ahead and click on Add Apps. This is located on the bottom left side of your screen, and by clicking that, you would initiate a dialog box that would pop up and present to you the different integrations that are allowed to Shopify. If you're not able to find the integration that you're looking for, which would be something that would help us to integrate Shopify and Amazon, we would be able to click on Shopify App Store and access the whole website. This is where you're going to look for the specific app that you're going to use to link those two platforms. By searching Amazon Importer on the search bar, you'd be provided with the different integrating apps that you can utilize for this specific purpose. For this tutorial, let's explore Commerce Importer. By clicking on the app, you can proceed to preview different details about the app, whether it has a free version or if it's only with a paid version that you'll be able to use it. And for this instance, you do have a free version, so you can proceed to click on Install, and that will guide you to the next step. It might take a while, but once you have clicked on Install, it would direct you to your Shopify account, and you can proceed to confirm by clicking Install again. And on the next page, you would be prompted to choose a plan. For this tutorial, we are going to go with a free plan, but if you're planning on doing a paid version, you can select from the remaining options that are provided as well. By clicking on Choose Plan on the one that you prefer, you'll be proceeding to the next step. With the installation process finalized, this is going to be your Set Commerce dashboard. You can verify that it has also been set up on your Shopify account by going onto your account and clicking on Apps. As you can see, Set Commerce Importer had been added to your Shopify account, so you can proceed to import by using this app. The next essential step is going to be linking your Set Commerce account to your Amazon Seller Center account. For this, you're going to go ahead and click on Accounts, and that's going to provide you with different options, such as eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. For this specific tutorial, since we are importing from Amazon, we're going to click on Link Your Account, and that will provide you with a dialog box where you can enter your seller account name and also specify the country where you're doing business and click Connect to proceed. Once you've finalized that step, it's time to import your products from this account. By going ahead and clicking on Import or Upload, that would be the third option from your navigation bar. You'd be able to import a product, upload a product, or import a file. Since we're importing from an existing account, we're going to click on Import a Product, and a pop-up dialog box is going to appear on your display so that you can specify the marketplace. As we're working with Amazon, we're going to click on Amazon, and that will give us a chance to further add some details with regards to the product that we want to import. Once you finalize and fill in this detail, you can click on Import Product, and you will have your product imported from your Amazon seller account onto your Shopify dashboard. To make further edits onto the product that's going to be listed on your Shopify account, you can go ahead onto your Shopify account and proceed to make the necessary adjustments before uploading it. So this is the general step that you would follow in order to import a product from your Amazon seller account onto Shopify. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.